Hey you guys, I'm Shreya and I'm back again with another new video on my channel Shreya's Corner. In one of my earlier videos, I have already mentioned that I'm a new mom and undoubtedly this is the best phase of my life, but there's always a but na. Anyways, I was talking about post-delivery styling ideas. After delivery, when it comes to styling an outfit, we all get a little bit confused, right? At least that was my case. So during this time, I gave it a little bit of thought and came up with some tips, tricks and outfit ideas for us all. I might need not to go out regularly during this time thanks to COVID, but we all know and hope that this time will soon pass, and with these styling ideas, we will all be ready to rock with our newborns. Before starting off with this video, I want to give a little disclaimer that in no way I want to say that one should be conscious about her shape and size after delivery, because I am not. In this video, I am only going to share some outfit ideas and tips so that this will help those who actually need it. All of that being said, now let's move on with the actual video. I have divided the video into two parts. In the first part, I am going to share with you all the tips and tricks, and in the second part there will be some outfit ideas using those tips, and I am mentioning all the timestamps here so that you can skip to any part of the video that you like. When it comes to clothing pieces, I want you to invest in some good shirts, button down kurtis with chains, etc. And make sure that these are opaque and not sheer, so that you need not to wear sleeves underneath. For example, I have this button down kurti here. This is a long cuff length kurti and it can be styled in different ways easily. Another one that I have is this long black front slit kurti. It has a long chain in front and it is a very stylish one. You can also invest in a dress that have buttons or chain in front. But wait, if you don't want to invest in new kurtis or dresses, you can ask your tailor to add buttons or a zip in front of your old kurtis and dresses, and voila, your new outfits are ready. For bottom wear, you can go with high-rise cotton trousers or flared palazzos. For jeans, you can try high-waist or mid-waist mom jeans or boyfriend jeans. But I would suggest you to avoid skinny jeans because during this time it can be a little uncomfortable. Here I have these cotton trousers which are extremely comfortable. You can go with these kind of flared palazzos as well. For jeans, I have recently invested in these ribbed boyfriend jeans which are extremely comfortable. So you can give it a shot as well. How can I complete my list without mentioning saris? Yes, saris are one of my trusted outfit ideas. These are extremely comfortable and can be styled in many ways, one of which I'll be showing in this video. So that's all for my clothing related tips. Let's move on with the accessories. In accessories, I'll first discuss about shoes, as it is extremely important to wear comfortable shoes during this time. For formal wear, you can try Oxfords, loafers, pumps, etc. With casual wear, you can try sneakers, and for your Indian wear or ethnic wear, you can try juttis, mojris, sandals, etc. Finally, whenever you're out with your newborn, you have to carry a diaper bag for all of your baby's essentials. But if you're going somewhere and you don't want to carry a diaper bag, you can put all your baby's essentials to one of your huge tote bags. Only make sure that you can securely close that, and now you can easily skip the diaper bag. That are all the tips that I have for you. Now let's move on to the outfit ideas. For this look, I have paired my long black translate kurti with blue ribbed boyfriend jeans that I have already shown you, and added my black pumps that have kitten heels. But if you're not comfortable wearing heels during this time, you can totally skip it and add any kind of black flats with this outfit. For jewelries, I kept it simple and added a pair of golden and pearl danglers, a golden chain with butterfly pendant, and a golden bracelet. And this makes a perfect brunch look. For evenings, just add a little bit of eye makeup and a bold lipstick, and this will change the look instantly. Here I have paired the maroon check shirt with the same blue boyfriend jeans and added a pair of comfortable grey sneakers. The semi-hoop earrings and the watch are added to complete the look. This outfit is so casual and comfortable and absolutely summer appropriate. You can easily rock this outfit in any of your day outings. Sadly, for me, I haven't had the opportunity yet to flaunt this outfit after my delivery, but I'm eagerly waiting for my first day outing with my newborn. But if this outfit is too much casual for you, you can add a pair of formal trousers like this black flared one that I have added here, and you can see how this changed the look completely. For this look, I have paired this long button down kurti with my blue flared palazzos. For jewelries, I have added these huge pair of chandbalis and a single kara. Finally, to complete the look, I have added these blue pair of mules. If you don't want to wear palazzos, then you can change it with blue cotton cigarette pants as well. This kurti is my favorite just because of its versatility. It can be styled in many different ways, and I'm going to share with you 2 more ways to style this kurti in this video only. For this next outfit, keeping the same kurta, I have added a denim jacket and a pair of jeans. I have kept the same footwear, and for jewelries, I have added these chunky pair of earrings and a ghungru bangle. If you are not a big fan of these kind of chunky earrings, you can change it with a pair of silver studs. The footwears can also be changed with a pair of sneakers to add more comfort element to this outfit. This is the perfect Indo-Western look created out of this kurti. I have kept my favorite outfit idea for the last, where I have paired the same kurti with this beautiful blue and white sari. I have kept the same footwear and added a lot of jewelry pieces with this look. Along with this choker and earring set, I have added this heavy long neck piece and another one of my ghungru bangles. Don't forget to add the bindi, as this completes the entire look. Initially, I planned to wear this saree with one of my shirts, but as I was unable to find any matching shirt with this saree, I ended up pairing it with this kurti. But if you have a matching shirt with any one of your sarees, you can pair those up and create an amazing look. Here, I have removed the long neck piece to dress it down a little bit. But here also, the outfit looks equally good. Hope you find these ideas and tips helpful and will be able to apply whenever required. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you have any tips, do share it in the below comment section. If you like to view similar content, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I have mentioned my Instagram ID here and in the below description box. Do follow me on Instagram as well. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.